All right. Today talking about newest feature I've added to SquidLib, my roguelike library. So apologies to anybody who wanted to see Rogue. Fortunately, the way Twitch works, even though they support you streaming tabletop board games and everything else, you can't just put anything you want. You have to choose from a selected list of things. So anytime I'm doing roguelike work that's not a game that's yet in their list, Rogue is what I'm putting down. So anyhow, today talking about a neural particle style random generation thing that I've just added to SquidLib, and go ahead and run an instance. So this is a result you see, and run a new one. So that is the actual amount of time it took, including the display time. I don't have a sleep timer in there or anything. So part of time is there's a little bit of a delay just because it kind of basically does like a guess and check process. So there's a little bit of computation on the back end, but it's not bad. It's a couple thousand points that it fired out there. And as you can see, you get a pretty similar kind of a pattern each time, but definitely a different pattern. The parameters that are adjustable on this in the code are the distance between the different points and how many points you generate and where the start points are. So for this particular show off here, I've got 6 start points, one that's actually the center, and then 5 more that are randomly chosen. So you can see there's kind of a clustering around them. The way this algorithm works is it picks a random point in the entire field that it can be in, and then if that point is not within a parameterized distance to a previously chosen point, it moves it to be within that distance to that point. So you get things that tend to grow towards the more open areas of the map or consolidate where they were before. You can kind of see that in the clustering as it grows. So just implemented this. This makes the second thing that I've done from Nolithius. The first is the name generator that's in there, was his. And like the name generator, there's a couple of little things I tweaked, and there's a few more things I'm going to work on it to make it so that the parameters are a little more adjustable, with I guess a little bit more expectation for what you're going to get out of adjusting the parameters rather than having to test it. So it's today's process. You've enjoyed seeing this, and I guess this is, so my idea to use this is actually to make some cityscapes, but it would also be nice for like maybe mountain ranges or perhaps like an archipelago spine, something along those lines. It'd be kind of nice. Anyhow, thanks for checking this out.